again. You get that?
I don't know.
Oh man, he come out of the air and done like a gymnastic type flip. This guy is something. There. Get it? There. Oh wow. This one's giving us our money's worth, Jack.
Yes. You're going to have to pay extra now.
I've never seen a fish jump so high. That first jump. This is a little bit bigger one too. As you can see.
Whoa. I think you better let the people know he'll soon be there.
I'll see if I can turn.
I think you can.
Here he comes. Come on up here and jump again for us there, brother. Hey, Jack, get ready. I think he has another one in him. Coming up here to do it right in front of you. Do it again, he might do it again.
That fish is unbelievable.
Oh man, this guy is something. That's the most acrobatic fish I've ever caught. And I've caught a few.
You want the net?
Let me see. Let me see how well behaved he is when I get him by me here. I think he's tired. He's done some nice Olympic jumps there. It's a pretty good one too.
I know he is. That's why I asked you if you wanted a net. Just make it easier to get him off. I can't remember if my net floats or not. Now's the time to test it. Yeah, it does. Remember I told you I filled it with styrofoam?
Yeah. You're always thinking, Jack.
Yeah.
Unlike some guys I know that let their nets get caught in the surf down there.
You know, timing's going to be perfect. The net arrives, the fish is ready.
He's about spent too, I'm afraid. No, he's not.
I can't believe you netted that fish from the tail like that. And he just let you do it.
Yeah, pretty much. He's about spent. We're going to have to let this boy pose for the camera since he gave us such a nice show.
Don't worry about the net, it's not going anywhere.
Come on, buddy. I'm going to let you go. I just want the camera to look at
Turn him sideways and get a little shot of it. He's about what? About 25?
you. Yep.
He's gone.